Hey, let's cook something good. Today, we're going to be cooking a simple chicken pasta. So we're going to need a small onion, diced, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, half a tablespoon of salt, pepper, and garlic powder, a cup and a half of marinara sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of uncooked pasta. Fill the pot with water and a tablespoon of salt. Bring to a boil, then add your 2 cups of pasta. While our pasta is cooking, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan on medium heat. Now let's add our garlic. Add the onions in, stir it around for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add in our 2 chicken breasts that we have cut into chunks. Let's go ahead and add that half a tablespoon of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We want to stir everything up, make sure it gets all spread evenly, and keep cooking and stirring the chicken until it's cooked thoroughly. Now that our chicken is cooked thoroughly, we'll go ahead and add our marinara and get that stirred in there. Want to make sure we mix it thoroughly, so that way here in a minute we're going to set a lid on top of it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now that our sauce is simmered for 5 minutes, we'll go ahead and add the pasta. We want to mix it all together until everything has been coated thoroughly. Alright guys, now all we got left is to add the cheese. Make sure we cover it thoroughly. Go ahead and turn off the heat and let it set with a lid over it to help melt the cheese. Give it about 5 minutes to melt and it is ready to eat. Thanks for watching, and like always, don't forget to subscribe below. Hit that like button so you can see amazing videos just like this. See you next time.